So if you've been feeling stuck lately and you want to have a different experience, you're in the right place. Greetings everyone, it's Jordan Parker, Middle Way Coaching. Thinking is not the problem as it relates to being stuck. The problem is one of momentum. Most people try to escape stuckness by thinking their way out of it. And ironically, they do it from the same place, the same relationships, the same routines, the same habits, the same diet, and they wonder why they don't get other results. So the problem is twofold there. You don't start with thinking and you don't start with doing all of the same things. The way to start momentum, sustainable momentum, is to change your environment. Now, environment is a big word that encompasses a lot of different areas of our life, but really you just need to choose one particular area. It could be where you work or how you work. It could be a relationship, your diet, your workout, any of your patterns or routines. Just choose one area that will make a difference. The thing that you'll notice once you start making a change in the environment is that a new perspective will come through on its own. You actually don't even need to force it. So if you consider where most people start, which is trying to think their way out of it from all of the same environment, and they're trying to force it, this is a totally different experience. When you change one area of your environment, new thinking will come through on its own. And from the new thinking, you're gonna have new actions. And actions are the building blocks for new self-esteem. You can take action in just 2 or 3 small areas, and the important thing is to keep your word. You may not get the results that you want, but at the end of the day, taking action will create new self-esteem. And self-esteem is the bedrock for sustainable momentum that keeps you unstuck. Not to say you'll never get stuck again, but it's a lot harder when your self-esteem is high. And the hidden gem here is that when you're connected with your self-esteem in a meaningful way, you're then able to connect with purpose and deeper visions and goals that are very difficult to otherwise connect with. Most people try to force their way into connecting with their purpose or their goals or visions when they're not in the best of state. So you literally need a state change in order to viscerally embody your visions or your purpose. Those things, whatever you want to devote to, are more important than actions or self-esteem, because those are more like a deeper commitment that you have with life. That even when things get hard, you're not going to get stuck or stuck for that long, because you're devoted to these visions and goals that you know to be true. And you know them to be true because you felt them clearly. So I hope this process of building momentum, getting new perspective, taking action, and connecting with your deeper goals and visions will help you in your journey to get unstuck. And as always, if you want to go for a deeper dive, I'm available for that as well. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time.